Come on, it's time to face it. Life with keys can be quite challenging. It comes with a lot of responsibility for each and every... Oh no, not again. Yeah, and exactly this can lead to the need for many lock replacements, placing a burden on your budget. Sorry. Finally, key administration can be a true management hassle, especially for the ones who have better things to do, right? That's daily life with traditional access management. Time to make that easier. With eCLIQ from ASSA ABLOY, your key to digital access. Switch to eCLIQ, and from a whole bunch of keys to just one. Experience a programmable key system, incorporating reliable electronic security. Let eCLIQ clear up for you in a breeze. Benefit from the intelligent eCLIQ software that provides the option to administer and trace every single key, while the sophisticated key hardware allows for flexible mobile updates on the go, opening up completely new possibilities. And if a key does get lost, no big deal anymore. Just quickly program one new key and remotely deactivate the lost one. That's it. This also means eCLIQ whisks away the need for expensive lock replacements. Okay, you have to replace them once, but that is so easy that you can start right away. And one by one, equip any of your existing access points with eCLIQ. And because the eCLIQ ecosystem offers individual solutions for nearly every field and every business size, there is definitely also a solution for you. So come on, make your life easier with eCLIQ, your key to digital access.